Implementation of gas leak detection system using ESP8266 Node MCU and MQ for gas sensor.
The objective of this tutorial is to design and implement a gas leak detection system using the ESP8266 Node MCU microcontroller and the MQ for gas sensor. When a gas source approaches the MQ for sensor, the LED turns on to provide a visual warning. The buzzer activates to generate an audible alarm. The I2C LCD screen displays an alert message like, "Gas detected." This system aims to detect the presence of flammable gases such as methane and butane in the surrounding environment. System component assemblies. The ESP8266 board serves as the main microcontroller that reads the gas sensor data, processes it, and controls the output devices, LED, buzzer, LCD. The I2C LCD display is a character LCD module that can display text, symbols, and messages. Connect the GND pin of the display to the GND pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the VCC pin of the display to the VIN pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the SCL pin of the display to the D1, GPIO5 pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the SDA pin of the display to the D2, GPIO4 pin of the ESP8266 board. The MQ for gas sensor module detects methane, CH, propane, and butane gases by measuring changes in resistance. Connect DO pin of the MQ for sensor to A0 pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the GND pin of MQ for sensor to the GND pin of the ESP8266 board. Connect the VCC plus pin of the MQ for sensor to VIN 5V pin of the ESP8266 board. Use a second breadboard to extend the ESP8266 GND pin. Wire the ESP8266's GND pin to the breadboard's common ground rail. Insert the LED into the breadboard, ensuring its cathode, short leg, is linked to the ESP8266 GND pin. Connect the positive terminal, anode, of the LED to the D0, GPIO16, pin of ESP8266. Insert the buzzer into the breadboard, ensuring its negative terminal is connected to the ESP8266's GND pin. Connect the positive terminal of buzzer to D3, GPIO0, pin of ESP8266 board. Here's a MicroPython program of the gas leak detection system using ESP8266. You can learn more about robotics on my website, robotique.site.